Couldn't find the answer online, so I had to figure it out myself here. Changing the headlight on a 03, 04 SkiDoo Legend. Not as easy on my Arctic Cat, so we're going to pop the hood. There's this panel on here. You don't need to take this off, but I did, because I didn't know. And then you got to remove the windshield. To take the windshield off, all right, see my little, you can see the bottom of the windshield here, this little tab. There's 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have these little rubber band doohickeys holding them on from the bottom. So once you pop all those off, the windshield will come up nice and easy. All right, take her off just like so. Set it somewhere that you're not going to scratch it up. And there you go. Let me get a light here for you. There's your headlights. Easy peasy to get to. I thought I was going to have to tear the whole machine apart. Thankfully I didn't. Good old Arctic Cat, ready to rip. Peace. A little continuation here. So these rubber boots, all right, that you saw in the last scene, you got to peel these back. This one I already have peeled back. And this little ring right here, you got to rotate counterclockwise. So this one I just did. All right, this little brass ring here, you rotate it, it's like a collar. You rotate it about a quarter turn counterclockwise. And then your whole light will come out, in theory. Oh, I should have unplugged the back first, like this one. Okay, now I took the plug off the back, so the light should come out a lot easier, so you got some clearance here. There we go, we got our bulb out. I'm going to do a voltage test. Get my high and my low beamer out. So I'm going to do a voltage test first. See if my voltage regulator is shot. And I had that happen on my other sled. Might be the same here. Otherwise, hopefully it's just a couple of new bulbs and I'm back in business.